guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. So today I have a random Amazon haul for you guys. Here is everything that I got. So I'm super excited because most of these things I really needed, so I just wanted to show you what I got. So let's begin. So I will start off with this little box here. So I decided to pick up a Piggy Hub with card reader, this one right here, for my computer. And it came in this cute little box, and it just came with a USB cable, and here is the little piggy. It's super cute, and when you plug it into the computer, the eyes turn green, so that's super adorable. And there was 3 other colors. There was pink, blue, and gray. I believe I got this cute little piggy for only $12.99 or something like that. Okay, so the next thing that I got is in this little package here. So, ta-da! So I decided to pick up a phone case from the brand Cases by Lorraine. This right here. And so this is the one that I got. It's super cute and I love it so much. It's just a silicone phone case. And I'm super excited because on this one I'm going to be adding my Colorado pop socket. And when I ordered this, it also said it was going to come with a screen protector. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what my phone looks like right now. I'm going to switch it over to the pizza one. And ta-da! Isn't that super cute? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's adorable. Okay, the next thing that I got is in this little package here. Oh, it's not little, it's like shoe size type of box. I'm super excited. So if you guys don't know, I did get a new computer for my birthday and I needed some speakers. So I decided to get these from Amazon. They are from the brand Creative Pebble. And I've never tried this brand before, but I really wanted to try it because they're super cute. Look at them. And it says Modern 2.0 USB desktop speakers. And these retail for $19.99. This is what it looks like inside. And it comes with this little box here. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. So it just comes with instructions and a manual and all that good stuff. And here are the speakers. So this is a pretty decent size. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. I thought they were going to be smaller, but I don't mind it. I think they're super cute and I can't wait to try these out on my computer. So yeah, super excited for this. Okay, now on to the last box. This one right here. It's pretty big.
That's what she said.
So this is what it looks like inside. So let me start off with a small item in here. Oh yeah, so I forgot I ordered this. Glass screen protectors for my phone, and I got the brand Sparrin or Sparine, something like that, and it is the 4-pack. I've never tried this brand before, so hopefully it works well because I always drop my phone, so hopefully my screen doesn't break. And these retail for $7.99. Okay, now the last item. So I decided to pick up this Fido Eyes desktop stand. I decided to pick this up because my computer is pretty wide and my desk isn't that wide, so I decided to get this to make it tall and that way it won't hit the sides. I'll show you guys later. This desktop stand retails for $19.99. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you guys were interested. But yeah, so I'm not going to open this right now because it's obviously not assembled, because as you can tell it's a thin box. I have to assemble it myself. So yeah, that is everything that I purchased from Amazon. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked any of these items or if you guys tried any of these products. Well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.